A lot of this is black light. A lot of us don't see that the black man is the one that's is the downfall living over here in America of the power. We can't see it. Uh, Mother Nature is doing a job on the Caucasian with different diseases, different afflictions. Uh, when you look in the Bible, the very beginning of the Bible, God created everything. He said it was good. He didn't make viruses to destroy man. Why would he do that? All you Christians out there who read the Bible, where did all these different diseases come from? Who brought the diseases into being? The scientists of the white man. He paid them to invent some kind of warfare so he can control you, like germ warfare. And he paid scientists come up with different kind of diseases to kill you with, different kind of poisons to kill you with, for population control. Why do he need population control? Because voting, right? But now he see that ain't gonna do no good, so he can manipulate voting, the voting machines, or the count, any kind of way, so he ain't worried about that now. Ain't no way we got our own independent watchdogs to watch the government, to go in there and count the books, see how much money they got of ours. And see, you can have an independent, according to the Constitution of the United States. The government's supposed to be the people, but they've been a long time suspended the Constitution. The Constitution been gone a long time ago when they got off the gold standard. When they got off that gold standard, they started just changing things. Taking the guns away from you. Because why? Black man is now in a position to buy weapons. So they try to come up with something so they could just take away the arms, which is like this. If the army wasn't so big, they got tanks, they got weapons that the average citizen can't get a hold of. And the police almost the same way, but they don't want you to have nothing to defend yourself against them. And the white people ain't going for it. The white, like the Klan and people like that, they ain't going for it. So they kind of got the law geared towards the poor black man, and they got us. They come and confiscate our guns and you got to turn your gun in. You see? So it's a thing where, well, if y'all give up y'all guns, we might give up ours. But as long as y'all going to war, and got y'all weapons, that don't make no sense. I can understand that. I can dig that. Even though in the Nation of Islam, Most Honorable Muhammad said we shouldn't bear arms. You know, I could dig that too because they got more arms than we got. They got bullets that they make and manufacture. In other words, they, on top of manufacturing, uh, the scientists are making guns, and they get paid for that 24 hours, and we ain't doing it. So we need to know how to make our own weapons. We need to do all that, and then maybe we might not have to worry about it. But right now, we got to depend on the will of Allah, the universe, to give us enough brain power to outthink and outmaneuver our enemy so he won't annihilate us all together. And joining forces with him is a sucker move, most dumbest move you can make, but Allah got a plan for that too. All you who want to get with your enemy. The universe gonna take care of that, gonna take care of y'all. So I'm gonna shut this one down, and we're gonna come back with some more of this good talk. Things that you need to consider and think about in this devil system, black light.